everyone. This is Shawnacy with the Eastern Iowa Arts Academy, and as you can see, I'm outside this morning. We've had some fantastic weather, and we have been busy in the garden. We've got all of our seedlings here, ready to get used to being outside. We've been growing them inside for a couple of months. Just very excited to be working outside after a long time indoors through the winter. So I'm going to move this lettuce for just a second. Excuse me, lettuce. Put that over there. And then talk about our prompt for today, which is just to go outside and sketch. Sketch something that you see. Make it a tree or a bunny rabbit or a bird, a flower, a plant, whatever it is that's around you. Go outside in nature and sketch something today. You can do it in your art journal. You can do it in any other type of sketchbook or anything that you might have. I'm actually just going to be using a regular old notebook. This is what I have with me right here. It's handy. And I also, if I like what I draw and I want to use it in my art journal, I can sort of tear it out and put it in there, and then it adds an interesting element. We got these little tear edges along the side that are kind of fun, so we might be using that later on. So today I'm going to be sketching this beautiful geranium plant right here in this pot. I like the colors. I think it's fun. Or sometimes we think about a flower and we go, oh, I know what a flower looks like. It looks like a circle and then some stuff around it. But flowers are very different and very interesting, and some of them have different shapes than you think, and you think you know how many leaves they have, and that they don't. And I'm looking at these leaves and they're very heart-shaped, and that's so interesting to me, and they're also kind of fuzzy. So I'm looking at the stems here, and they're very kind of twisty and interesting. So I'm going to do my best to sort of do a not perfect at all, but very observational sketch of what I have in front of me. And I hope you guys do the same, and I'll see you next time. Bye.